Okay, Ganesh, tell me about yourself.
It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you, sir. My name is Ganesh Kumar Pandali. I am 22 years old. Basically, I am from Rajur, Andhra Pradesh, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I completed my BTech graduation in Welfare Institute of Science, Technology and Management Engineering College, Vishakhapatnam. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to get a good position in the reputed company, and where can I build my career and also help the organization too. That's all.
Good. So, can you please explain about your project, academic project?
Yes, sir. I done a project name called Polyhouse Farming using IoT, Internet of Things. Basically, it works on the using IoT, sir. It involves that to grow the plants in a conditional environment to produce higher yield crop. The main goal of our project to produce unseasonal plants in seasonals also. By using IoT, we can reduce manpower in the fields. By using IoT, farmers can monitor the temperature and condition of the plants in real time also.
Okay. So, we'll start from Django. Okay. Just tell me how much you rate yourself in Django out of 5?
3.5.
Okay. What do you mean of DTL?
DTL is a Django template language, sir. Basically, HTML is used to structure the data, but it is have no power to render the dynamic data. So we using Django template language to render the dynamic data into the HTML from web server.
Very good. What do you mean of ORM?
ORM is a object relational mapping. It is used to connect with our database model. Without writing our any SQL queries, we writing in Python language. The ORM converts the Python language into respected database queries.
Okay, good.
It is a middleware, sir. Actually, it is a temporary memory area at the server side to store the previous action by the client. It stores the previous action which the client connected servers for some time.
Where the session will be stored?
Session will be stored in client side cookies, sir.
Client side cookies session will be stored.
Session ID will be stored. Database session will be stored.
What is the difference between session and cookie?
Cookie is the client side. Cookies are the stored in client side, sir. Session is actually temporary memory at the server side.
Okay. Good. What is the meaning of middleware? What is the use of middleware?
Middleware is a program. These are the programs which runs before the request coming to the server and giving back to the response to the client.
Okay. So, can you name some predefined middlewares?
Session middleware, CSRF token middleware, authentication middleware.
Okay, very good. So, what is the difference between class-based view and function-based view?
By using class-based views, we can inherit the properties from one class to another class. Function-based views also it also produce a reusable code, but there is no possibility of inheritance. By using class-based views, they provide some predefined views like update view, create view, without writing any other extra logic.
What do you mean of subquery?
Subquery is a query inside another query, sir. Outer query and there is a inner query inside.
Tell me what do you mean of abstraction?
Abstraction. We are hiding some implementation from the real world, and those are implemented in the child class. In base class, we are using empty methods.
So, what do you mean of generator?
Generator is a special function. It is used in the keyword to return the values.
Why it is using keyword?
Basically, we return values by using return statement, but the fundamental behavior of the return, once it returns the values, it doesn't come back to the function. So in that action, we need to store all the values in one place in a list, and we return the values. Instead of doing that, we using yield keyword to return the value by value, and it again comes to the function, continue the execution.
Very good. What do you mean of closure?
Closure, remembering the state of the local variable outside of the function is nothing but the closure.